waking up, I'll just chill. Take a deep breath to relax.
I wake up at 4:30 a.m. and make my bed to start my day.
I woke up after my mother woke me up.
I usually wake up to my alarm and my mother's voice.
Perform sunnah prayers and read the Al-Quran.
At 4:45 a.m., I take a shower to feel fresh and ready. After that, at 5 a.m., I perform the Fajr prayer.
I pray Fajr to start my day calmly.
I go to the washroom to perform wudu and offer the subuh prayer.
After prayer, I often scroll social media while waiting for my shower time. I always make the bed so it's not messy. Showering in the morning before activities to stay fresh.
At 5:20 a.m., I have breakfast before leaving the house.
I take a bath so I feel fresh.
I usually have a shower after subuh prayer.
For work, I always wear neat dress code and do skincare. I always have breakfast before going to work.
Then, at 5:40 a.m., I get dressed and prepare to go to work.
I have breakfast before going to school.
I usually pray duha before going to work. I have breakfast chicken porridge before going to work.
I work at a garment factory from morning to evening.
At 5:45 a.m., I leave for work and begin my day.
I check books and teaching notes. I go to school to teach.
After breakfast, I had to work at KG Fashion Indonesia, but that day it rained, so I got caught in the rain.
My job is to record data, provide reports, and much more.
I usually arrive at my workplace at 6:15 a.m., depending on the traffic. At 6:50 a.m., I start working and prepare everything at my workstation.
I teach and help students understand the lesson.
I arrive at my workplace, which is a shoe factory, PT KG Fashion Indonesia. I carry out my tasks as a data inputter in the assembly line to process today's data efficiently.
Then, at 12:50 p.m., I return to work feeling refreshed and ready to focus again.
I take a short break and relax a bit. I go home after finishing teaching. I go pray zuhur at home.
During my break, I take time to eat lunch and pray duhur.
Then, at 12:50 p.m., I return to work feeling refreshed and ready to focus again.
I eat lunch and take a short rest.
When the break is over, I go back to doing my work again.
Much more. Finished work after getting home from work.
At 4:05 p.m., I leave work and head home.
I pray Asr In the afternoon,
I set aside a few minutes to perform Asar prayers amidst my working hours. Then I return to work and tidy up the input data for the day before the time to leave arrives.
From work, I usually just chill.
I relax, watch TV, or play with my phone.
When the time to leave arrives, I rush home to beat the traffic and arrive on time.
After getting home from work, I immediately took a shower.
After arriving home at 4:15 p.m., I take a shower and relax for a while.
When I get home, I immediately to clean myself up by taking a shower. I usually eat fish for my dinner while watching movies or K-dramas.
Eat. I'll always eat after I finish work.
I read the Quran after performing the Maghrib prayer.
I pray Maghrib at home and I perform Isha prayer before sleeping.
I perform the Maghrib prayer when the Adhan is called. I spend the time between Maghrib and Isha reading the Quran. When the Isha Azan starts, I finish reading and then I pray Isha.
After a day's activities, I'll rest.
I spend my free time doing homework, reading, or listening to music. Finally, at 9:30 p.m., I get ready for bed, set my alarm, and go to sleep.
I go to sleep to prepare for the next day.
Before sleep, I tidy up my bed, and when I'm relaxing, I usually just check my phone or watch some movies and K-dramas. Once everything is done, I sleep until dawn and start my productive routine again the next day.